MRVL stock was down by as much as 10% in the post-market session of yesterday, the 30th, and in this pre-market session of today, the 31st of May. But it's rebounding. All of these are on the broader market rebounding because there's now an indication that there are hopes of a rate cut in the future, But what we know is that yes, it has rebounded now. This is its 1 minute chart now, down slightly 0. Okay, the losses. This is unchanged right now. This is where it closed out yesterday, the 30th of May, 2024. Coming back to its chart here on our trading view, we have projections of 77.03 and all the way towards 77.44. So we have gone from dealing with the news that it reported worse than expected earnings to it even probably approaching a new high of around $77.44. So it's currently on this 1 minute chart. It's currently holding out at 76.47. We have upper projections of 76.60, 76.68, 76.76, 76.86, 77.03, all the way towards 77.42, 77.44. All of these are on the 1 minute chart. Let's have a look at its 5 minute chart and see what we have here. Yeah, okay, this hasn't recalculated yet, given that it's a 5 minute chart. So it's currently trading above, because it has rebounded. As a matter of fact, it's now trading above all of its projections. Yeah, the stock retraced. All the Fibonacci projections were recalculated, but it has now rebounded. It hasn't recalculated. So based on the data, it's not expected that it's going to. It's based on the data, it's not expected that it should be where it is right now. That's probably why the Fibonacci projections haven't recalculated. So it's that might be the case with the 30-minute chart, I think. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. So this rebound, the projections that were there when it retraced are still very much reliable. Yeah, still very much something you can rely on. It seems on this 30-minute chart we have 77.47, pretty much in line with what we have on the 1 minute chart, and then above that we have 79.79. We can see what the probability of getting to that is. Let's see, 79.79. Okay, if we take that, okay, 79.79. Let's see. Yeah, okay. So we have that projection, 79.79. We have 10-period moving average of 73.32, and we have standard deviation of 1.18. So it's just an indication that it has deviated from its 10-period moving average by $1.18. Okay, so we also have to have a look at its daily chart. We may have let's compare that. The reason why we're here is we want to also pick up the standard deviation here. The standard deviation here is 1.9, so we are not so far off. So we can comfortably go ahead and see whether we can project. Okay, one good thing, we also have a projection of 79.09, so we can go ahead and try to see what that projection is. 79.79, what the probability that it will print at some point is, what the probability of it printing is what the probability that it will occur is. Let's see. Let's see what we have. Okay, the probability of that occurring is almost zero. So it's looking, 79.79 is looking like an outlier based on what this probability is, but based on the figures we used. Okay, so we can come back and see whether we can use the standard deviation we have here on this on the daily chart, which is $1.9, 1.9, sorry, 1.9. Let's use that and see whether we're going to obtain anything different. 1.9, isn't it what we obtained? Yes, 1.9. And then we do that. Let's see. Okay, we have the probability that it's going to still very much the same thing. Still very much the same thing. It's an outlier, 99.96%. The probability that it's going to remain around where it is or lower than 79.79. The probability that it's going to get there 0.003% that they will. But even at that, it still holds a lot. But maybe we can maybe being something that we really don't expect to happen anytime soon. But I mean, well, not something. Okay, yeah, something that it's maybe based on what has happened. Maybe it's, I think we have the data from its 30-minute chart. That's probably why we have these complications. So, okay, so I think another bet, a good bet is going to be to use the current price of 76.38 as it's 76.38 as 76.38 as the order as a mean, 76.38. Let's see what we can obtain. Okay, we have improving probabilities now. We have 96.36. The probability that it will not get to 1.79. Sorry, the probability that it will not get to 79.79, but the probability that it will get there and surpass it is 3.63%. That's the probability that it will get there. Yeah, so it's always a case of observing and trying to use averages and standard deviations that will give you a more refined probability. Okay, so Marvel on the move, so rather is it on the move? Has it yes, down slightly, but before now it was way down. It was way down. Yes, down almost 10%, or if not more than 10%. And all of these are on the news that all of these on the worse than expected earnings disclosure. It reported. I think it reported that yesterday, 30th, at the close of yesterday's session. But yeah, but in the broader market, we're hearing now that yeah, you can see the broader market rate futures, or rather their hopes of rate cuts in the future, and then it has now prompted market participants to dump their position at their sell positions. You know, hurry back into the stock. That is, I think what is behind this improvement in the position, in the price of the stock. You know, so have a look and see what you make of MRVL stock, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.